Peace, y'all. Happy Mother's Day to the ladies out there, Glenda. All of you, I mean, I don't even know if you and Randy have kids, but I think it should be Ladies' Day, not just Mother's Day. But we won't get into all that. Hello to the ladies out there. It's Mother's Day. I think all women have a mothering kind of gene in them, whether they've had kids of their own or not. You know what I mean? Your friends wouldn't ask you to babysit if you didn't have that in you. So, and they always do. Out here, made the it's May 12th. Made the base plate for the motor. We're gonna get that on. Just wire wheeled everything, cleaned it up best we could. Our wire wheel's a little worn out, so it won't reach some of these other places. But the rest of it looks relatively clean. You know, I mean, you won't see any of it anyway. But let's go ahead and sit you down. Sorry about that. We'll get some things out of the way, and we'll go ahead and see if we can throw this thing on. Benny and the Jets. Yep. I don't think it's loud enough for me to get a YouTube strike or whatever they call it, you know, but I don't care. I'm not going to shut the radio off while we make videos. We used, oh, we didn't put the plate on, dummy. Right, I was going to say we used transfer punch to go through this, the base plate, or the stock standard plate, right, and bang, 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 we clamped it together. Took it over to our bandsaw, which has a little bit of it struggles a little bit. I mean, we don't have, it doesn't have the jaw width like a regular tabletop bandsaw. So we did the best we could. We got it cut out. We had to go in 2 different directions, but we did get it done. Yeah, so we're getting to use all of our tools, all of our electrical that the guy came and put in. Thanks again, Aaron from Hatzel Bueller, Sherry's company. Come out and put our wiring in and all that happy stuff.
Cool 106.3. Hey, Turkey, I'm talking to you, Turkey.
So I think you can see that. Here, let me put you right up here. We're just going to go ahead and put this bad boy on. Yeah, I don't know if we're pulling this thing in different directions or what, but it doesn't seem like she wants to. But I know all the holes line up. We did all that work ahead of time. Obviously, before we turn the video on.
Watson Timber Bar suggests Trustworld Wall and Ceiling Board with its brilliant interlocking system, hidden fasteners, Trustworld Wall and Ceiling Board cost-effective alternative to.
Yeah, I think it's just binding up because I'm not doing it evenly.
Talk to the timber specialists about the low maintenance, abuse-resistant.
Because we know better. We did use a fractional. These are metric bolts, obviously. It's an Italian engine. We did use a fractional drill bit, so the holes are a little bit bigger than they need to be, just so we knew we wouldn't have any issue with interference, you know, with the holes not being exactly perfectly aligned, you know. If the hole's a little bit big, then it's not really an issue. Yeah, we're a little cockeyed. I think it's it'll hit a hard spot, and then it hits an easy spot where it lines up, and then it gets a little cockeyed as we're putting it on. But it's 6 bolts, you know, you're going to get a little interference. Even the holes that are through the old cast mount are a little bigger than the bolts, so it has room to move around, you know. See, it gets hard then easy, hard then easy. know what this is. They playing some Madonna or something on here. It's supposed to be classic. Classic, as the Canadians say. Classic. Your classic rock. Sorry, they're easy to make fun of. Do. See, they're going right on in now. All right, so we will go ahead and torque these bad boys down when we're all done with it. I'll show you in a minute. We still got some work to do up front to make that little clutch perch, a little bracket to hold the clutch cable. Just want to make sure she's good and flat. Get in there, Bubby. One, two, three. Come on. Okay. So